Sharp Styles music, masterpiece music. Yeah. Last time on the New York Travel Guide visit to Cuba.
What I love is the ingredients that's on the pizza.
It's like at home we have fish here, but we are cooking it right now.
I am dying right now.
Yo, Travel Gods here. We at Basilio with my man Enrique. We about to go inside and get some drinks. He got this infused rum. He's got about, how many you said, 26?
26 flavors.
26 flavors.
Oh, wait, rum
man.
tasting.
So,
we're going to do a tasting.
I'm excited.
Bring us some food too. We're going to have a whole different kind of experience here. All right?
Travel Gods out. Hey, Travel Gods here. We at Basilio. We about to have some drinks. We're gonna do some rum experiences. So they got a whole bunch of different infused rums. Craft rum. Oh, okay. Nice. Let's taste this rum. See what we're talking about. I'm ready. Let's do it.
My lovely, my interesting, my best brother in my life. It's like my kids.
Yeah.
Something like that. You have 26 flavors, different kind of different types too.
26.
26.
Wow.
They're all
26 flavors.
26 flavors.
I'm excited.
Have the hot, spicy, herbally, fruity, sweet, creepy, love.
I'm ready, man. I'm ready to taste it.
It's good. Then we go to start with someone a little bit sour,
Okay.
fruity. It's citric. The citric cocktail is the name. It has pineapple, orange, and lime.
Really? Why, man? Last night.
A lot of weight.
Man.
A lot of weight.
Last night.
Just enjoy the time with us.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Come on, man.
Salud. Cuba y salud.
That's nice.
A little bit sour.
Hold on. Oh, how about?
Let's go, man.
He's hot, man.
Let's go. There we go.
There we go.
Here we go.
The Cuban fireball, the people call it this one, has a cinnamon and clove. Reminds, when you drink, reminds you your time in the high school when you drink for the first time
Right.
with a fireball in your country. That's for the United States, no? That's in your face. That's normal.
Yeah, smells like a fireball. We'll tell you which one tastes better. All right, so one.
Good, man.
Yeah.
Two times.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice. That's real nice. It does definitely taste like a fireball. I'm drunk already.
Ready? Let's do it. It's coffee, sugar candy, and focus here, man. 3 times.
That one wasn't bad. What was that one again?
It's a coffee, sugar cane, and honey.
Alright, so this one is coconut?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Pina colada.
Pina colada.
Pina colada.
Here we go. 1, 2. Oh yeah. That's nice.
The finale.
We can continue.
How you feeling, Ron?
I'm still sitting upright. I'll tell you that much. I don't know for how much longer. I'm trying to be a trooper here.
That whole experience was really nice. Enrique, you the man. You the man.
Yes, sir.
Just curious, I'm asking for a friend, but where's the emergency room?
What's that?
Emergency room. Emergency room.
Travel Gods out, literally.
Travel Gods are out. Hey, might be our last show. No. Oh man. I understand.
Yo, son. I am so done. it's great out here though.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
they really like, you know, just pretty much accepted us. You know what I'm saying?
nothing but love out
They're giving
here.
us much love, yo, all day. Like we just came from Pasillo, and they gave us so much love, bro. It was wonderful. The drinks was amazing. It was twisted. We had to wait like 45 minutes before we could leave.
We had way too
Because
many
we had
drinks.
way too many drinks. But
We had
yo,
about 9, 10
true story?
shots of drinks. Right?
True story, I think his rum cured my stomach problem, yo.
And I think
Like,
it
I had
could
an issue,
cure
bro.
Ron too.
Yeah, I'm actually
Yo,
better
he's
than I
actually
was
way
before.
better than he was.
Dead
So,
ass. I'm
I think
way
it was
better
the, it was
now.
the herbal. It was the herbal shot, bro.
The herbal shot.
shot. That's what I'm going with.
We'll find out how true this is tomorrow.
Yeah,
If I
tomorrow.
am worse tomorrow than
Yeah.
before,
Nah, but
then we
gonna
know
eat some
who
breakfast
we
or
gonna
whatever.
blame.
We
But
be good. We be good.
we signing out from the hood, man.
Know what I
the
mean?
middle
Look.
of the hood.
Look
you
where
see
you at,
what
yo.
these buildings look like
You know what
out
I'm
here?
saying?
You know.
Travel guides, yo. This is how we travel.
Coming up on our next New York Travel Guides episode.
Yeah, we get in the back room. You know what I'm saying? We about to get some Cubans right now on the low.
It's crazy. Yo. Wonderful out here.
It's beautiful, bro. Like the charm out here is ridiculous.
We're in the wedding. We're in the wedding. We're in the wedding. We're about to crash the wedding.
Be sure to like and hit that subscribe button. New York Travel Guides.
Yeah, your face up with your knuckle game. We can square up anywhere, we can put up some change. Care if you a grizzly bear, you a fucking chain.